Welcome to Herman's RV Holidays. I'm Ads and this is Herman, and what a perfect day for a break, a spring break on the 5th of May, Saturday. We're still on, if you remember last weekend, I mean it's only a few days ago actually, we were in a boggy, muddy field in Peak District, and we are still on the grass, but it is a lot more solid around here. The grass is grown here, but that's fine, nice and spongy under the feet. But where are we, you might be asking, and let me just show you that. Well, we are currently at Dale Acres Caravan and Motorhome club site, and if you could just have a look at the map here, I'll show you where we are. Okay, so there's Folkestone and Dover, just for point of reference, and we are just about there, near a place called Lampeen, is that? Right, quite close to the coast and Hythe. We had to drive through Hythe to get to here, which seemed a nice place. My intention to come here was to come down here to Dungeness. Obviously there's a power station here, but there's also lots of it's a wildlife reserve around here, so I was thinking hopefully go down here, and there's a train that comes from Hythe all the way down here, very scenic route apparently, on one of these tiny little trains rather than a full-blown steam train. It's a scale model, so we might even do that, but thing is, it's taken us a couple of hours to get here. Not a bad journey, a little bit of traffic, but where you get the nice hot sunny weather, you also get insects. So we've got the cleaners in, and Zoe's cleaning the front with a cloth and a bucket of soapy water.
Well, it's looking a bit, I know.
Look at all this
Gunkiness. Herman is not
nasty stuff. And do you wanna? Have you not cleaned that yet?
Well, I'm just getting around to it.
Not so much having a plan today. We've just had our lunch, so we've got the rest of the day to do whatever we want. In about an hour and 15 minutes, I think, we have our live stream, so look out for that. Well, it would have gone by the time you've seen this, so look out for that video. I might even put a little thing up here somewhere if I remember to take you to that. It won't be live of course, but it would be live. This is getting confusing. Sounds like I'm time traveling. Anyway, let's figure out, let's show you around and whatever we like doing on these travel vlogs. Morning everybody, it is Sunday, it is about 9 o'clock in the morning, and already it is really warm. Yesterday we did our live stream, didn't do much after that, to be honest. We just had our barbecue, relaxed, do that sort of thing. Today though, we're going to head out in Herman and drive down the coast, probably following the train that follows the coast as well. We did think about going on the train, but we can't, once you get off of it, you can't really go far. So we wanted to explore. We don't want to be just in that zone of the train, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Yeah, so we're going to head down to Dungeness and then go on to Rye, which is round the corner from Dungeness, a bit further south. I don't know if you can hear it, but in the background I can hear gunfire. Yeah, it's like it's streets of LA round here. But there was a firing range up the road, and we went past it, and it's like chain link fence with barbed wire all over it. And I had to ask the receptionist what it was all about. It's a firing range, where the army and the police forces do their practicing or whatever. But why I'm bringing it up is because as we were driving along, it says danger, keep out, and right underneath it says car boot sale Sunday. I thought that was quite funny. Maybe that's the car boot sale happening right now. Anyway, we're going to be getting on our way, and yeah, you can come along as well if you like.
This isn't a road. Do you want to see if we can turn around?
Okay.
So, following the sat-nav, we've come to here. This is, I think it was called Coast Road, and look at the sat-nav, it continues. But as you can see, it just looks like a field. So folks, don't follow your sat-nav. We're here. We've done the turn.
Right. I think we've turned too soon, didn't we? I get that impression. So when it said turn left, I think it means turn left further up there.
I was following crap nav.
I know. Anyway,
Like an idiot.
it's given us a little bit of an adventure, goodness.
Stay tuned for more disasters. All we need to do is follow this road. I think it's a 259.
Let's keep
the
on the main
8259.
road, Sudsy Dane. Good job he's called Little Herman.
It's not slim though.
No. I thought, because there was motorhomes up there, I thought, oh good, a nice big car park.
Yeah, I thought that. Nice big car park.
So we've arrived at the RSPB Dungeness site, and it's kind of in the shadow of Dungeness power station itself. And because it's a lovely hot day, this is a great time to be around. And they have lots of species here of animal or bird and flower. Just seen a few, we've just been into a hide and saw a few birds. Now, I just want to mention the Cormorant. It's a large black water bird, a seabird actually, and it dives for fish. Now, I think they're quite funny because it's the only bird that actually needs to dry off, and you can see them all over the place spreading their wings and you know, drying out. We saw one in Norfolk, didn't we, which actually caught an eel. I mean, this is, you know, a huge eel, and it's well, you can imagine trying to get it down its throat, you know, in one piece. It's just amazing. But of course afterwards, spread it out its wings to dry off so it could fly again. But yeah, this is a lovely place. The nature reserve is a big long walk, circular walk of about 2 miles long, and all the way along are these laughing frogs. Not seen one yet. You can hear them everywhere, and the place is just so flat, isn't it? What?
See the bird on top of the...
Right, so we are nearly all the way around the trail here, and it's been wonderful, I think. Don't you think?
Yeah, it's worth doing.
Now, we saw lots of hobbies. Unfortunately, they're so far away, so quick, and never going to be able to get it on the camera. And also the bittern has eluded us as well. But anyway, we're going to go and grab something to eat out of Herman right now and be on our way. Probably drive past Dungeness, and there's a lighthouse there, and then on our way to Rye, I think it was. And of course, rookie mistake me, did the noob thing of not charging any of my batteries, so they're all dying on me at the moment. But never mind, I'm sure we'll cope. There's Dungeness, the power station, one lighthouse and another lighthouse. They seem so far away on the camera, but they are really not. So we're going to go for a walk. We're right at the headland here, and we did see these. So if I some motorhomes, and we thought, oh, how did they get over there? But as you can see, I think the road is blocked. Don't know how they got over there, and I think it's actually a beach rather than a road. But anyway, we're going to walk around. We're going to check out the lighthouses, and yeah, we're not going to be very long. Just asked somebody where you get the key from to go through the barrier, and a bit further up the road there's a, what was it, a gift shop or there's a pub. And you pay your £5 and you get given a key, and of course you have to take it back. I don't know if you get your £5, is it a deposit? I don't know, she didn't say, did she? Yeah, you need to give your £5, or to get your £5 back, you get your key back, I suppose. Now you know, so if you're coming down here, you know what to do. I think that deserves a nice thumbs up. Tourist information, us. So Dungeness, I don't know if you know, is actually built on a shingle spit. So the whole area is this stuff, which can make it a bit difficult to walk on if you're not on the road. Okay, so how I understand it, this lighthouse is no longer used and is open to visitors. So I think we're going to pop in and take a look. Different colours. We're right at the top now. We can still go outside. Not this is, Zoe. Very windy. Right, we're at the top now, and obviously that is Dungeness Nuclear Power Station. You got pylons running for miles after it, beyond it. But look, the place is just flat and desolate. Look at that. Obviously the English Channel. And down on the other side, you got the train coming in, and just over there is Herman. I can hardly see him, so you're not going to be able to see that in the camera. And there's the other lighthouse. Does anyone want to smile?
My eyes are watering.
Are they?
Yeah.
Dungeness Old Lighthouse, the Great Lens. This lens, which weighs approximately 2.5 to 3 tons, was balanced on a bath of mercury and kept revolving by a clock underneath. The clock had to be wound up every hour by the keeper on watch. The light shone out at 1 million candle power and was visible for 20 miles.
He's smiling, isn't he?
Yeah.
Herman, that was one of yours, darling.
Should have stopped and had a chat.
Yeah.
It's almost 5 o'clock in the evening and we're a bit pooped, aren't we, Zoe? So
Polite term.
today we're going to have to miss Rye.
I think also the sun gets you, doesn't it, really?
Yeah, we're heading back to the campsite. And I think they're having a barbecue, aren't we?
Oh, wow. Oh, look at that! Fantastic. Old Fords never die.
Sounds like Herman. Wow.
It's getting
Right, let's go. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.
Look at that.